Welcome to our journey through Southeast Asia's top 5 must-visit destinations. First, experience the vibrant chaos of Bangkok, Thailand, where ancient temples meet bustling markets. Don't miss the opulent Grand Palace, a stunning example of Thai architecture. Next, venture to the serene island of Bali, Indonesia. Known for its beaches and rice terraces, Bali offers tranquility and adventure in equal measure. Third, explore the cultural hub of Hanoi, Vietnam. Its old quarter teems with history, while the nearby Halong Bay boasts spectacular limestone karsts. Fourth, discover Angkor Wat in Cambodia, a magnificent testament to the Khmer Empire's grandeur. Finally, experience Singapore, a city-state of innovation and diversity, where futuristic gardens contrast with cultural districts. Each destination offers unique experiences waiting to be explored. Safe travels!